friends, welcome back to Let's Cook with Vlog. Normally my mum cooks all this food, but today I'm going to cook food for this breakfast, and I'm going to make animal toast. So we're going to put an animal face on some toast. First cut the bananas into round slices. Then take a slice of toast bread. Then apply chocolate on the bread. First put the ears. Then put the eyes. Fill the eyes with blueberries. And if you don't have blueberries, you can use grapes that are chopped into half. Then put the mouth. And finally, put the nose. Take a slice of chocolate bread toast and add the ears. Put some blueberries as its eyes. Then put the mouth. Then put the nose from a blueberry. Next, take another toast and apply peanut butter. And add some ears. Then put a nose. And put some eyes. Next, take one more toast and apply peanut butter like a heart shape. Then take cheese cream and apply it all around the peanut butter. Then put some eyes. And put some blueberries as its eyes and nose. Take chopped kiwis to put it as the ears. And another toast is ready. Take cheese cream and apply it all around the toast. Put lots of kiwis as its feathers. Then put some eyes. And put blueberries to fill the eyes. Then put an almond for the nose. That's it, friends. We made some animal toasts, and can you guess what it is? And tell it in the comments below.